Welcome back to the Bioinformatics channel. In today's structural annotation video, we shall discuss the retrieval of protein sequences through the BLAST technique. In bioinformatics, BLAST stands for Basic Local Alignment Search Tool. This is a widely used algorithm and suite of programs for comparing biological sequences, such as DNA, RNA, or protein sequences, to identify regions of similarity. It helps researchers find related sequences within a database, infer evolutionary relationships, and identify gene family members. If you are new to this channel, you can watch our previous videos, especially on Structural Annotation 1 and Structural Annotation 2. There, you will find out how to retrieve genes, get FASTA sequences, generate open reading frames, and predict exonic sequences based on information in the DNA sequence. If you have watched these videos, you would by now know how we generated the FASTA file of the p53 gene on Notepad. Now, back to protein retrieval. To retrieve the protein sequence, perform the following: click on the link shown on the screen. The link is posted on the comment section for easy access. That will take you to this homepage. Paste your gene sequence, e.g., the TP53 gene saved in the notepad in Structural Annotation 1, and click on BLAST. You will see a result like this. Deselect the Select All option and select the human TP53, the tumor protein P53, Li-Fraumeni syndrome, isoform CRA_C, Homo sapiens. Click on the selected row. That will lead to the following page. Click on Download and choose the FASTA Complete Sequence option. You can save the downloaded notepad file as p53protein1.txt. Click Continue and download the FASTA sequence. And that is it for today. Don't forget to click on the link posted in the comment section so that you can easily perform the protein retrieval steps described in this video. And watch out for our next videos on functional annotation, where we will talk about analysis of protein's primary structure, analysis of protein's secondary structure, prediction of protein's 3D structure by homology modeling, and point mutation analysis. If you have found this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel so that you can get notified when new videos are uploaded. Thank you.